So we're inside the house, and these are some of the seedlings that I have started for spring. In this flat, we have zucchini, and this is Cozzola Italiana. Here, I have two that I planted, two that came up. Here, we have some squash, and we have butternut squash. On this side here, we have crookneck squash here, and only one of those came up. And the white petty pan squash, one came up, but it died, and the other one rather, did not come up. This tray is empty for now. Okay, in this flat, we have a bunch of seeds that I started on January 2nd. We have black eyed peas. We have 10 of those. I'm sorry, 12 of those here. They're a little light in color, probably because they need some nutrients. They were fed a diluted mixture of AgroThrive General Formula yesterday. Here we have some Chinese cabbage, and of the 6 that I planted, only one came up. In this row, we have bok choy. They need to be thinned out. In this row, we have okra, and nothing came up. In this row, we have Boston pickling cucumbers. Looks like I have 4 of those that came up. I'm probably going to need to remove these and put them in a separate container, their own containers. This one, we have contender bush beans, and only one came up. This one, we have some more bush beans, and looks like of the 2 rows, all of them came up except for 2. And then in this row, we have corn, and all of them germinated. So what I'm going to show you, let's slide this out of the way here, and we'll push this one forward a little bit too. In my Tupperware bowl here, I started on the 10th some jalapeno peppers using the wet paper towel method, and several of those have germinated. So what I'm going to need to do coming up is to take them and put them into their own separate containers. And I'm not sure if I'm going to need to put them on a heat mat or not, since they've already germinated. Probably not. Just go ahead and cover them with soil and watch them and wait for them to come up. Here are 4 types of tomatoes that I'm going to start. I've heard nothing but great things about Paul Robeson tomatoes. These were packaged to sell on the 31st, by December 31st, 2024. So they still should be good. I have Ace 55 tomatoes. I have the Florida tomato, and have the Brandywine tomato. I believe the Florida and the Ace 55, as well as the Brandywine, are determinate tomatoes. Don't quote me on it, but I'll have to look them up. So what I'm going to do, we're going to start with the Paul Robeson. And open up the bag. I have some paper towels here. And I'm going to take one of these. I'm going to place the Paul Robeson, about 5 seeds on them. And I'm going to separate them apart some. One there, one there. Okay. Then I'm going to fold the paper towel over like this. And then in here I have plain old water, H2O. And I'm going to sprinkle the paper towel so that it becomes damp, but not soaking wet. And I'm focusing where the seeds are. Next, we're going to take the now damp paper towel, place it into my plastic bags. I'm going to take the water bottle and spray a little bit of water toward the end of the paper bag. And I'm going to zip lock it. Make sure all the air is out of it. I'm going to zip lock it and then put it in the Tupperware tray with the jalapenos. And we're going to do next the Ace 55. And again, it's the same principle. Paper towel. 4 to 5 seeds. There we go. Fold the paper towel over. Moisten it. Slide it into the Ziploc baggie. Press all the air out and close it up. And put that there. Next is the Floridae. little bit more water. Press out all the air and Ziploc. And the last one is the brandy wine. Oh, that's too many. All right, since they're already out, we'll leave them there. And we're going to slide this one in just like the others. Make sure all the air is out. We're going to zip it up, fold it over, and put it in here. Now, these will go back into, I have a drawer in my bedroom that I keep my seeds in, or I've been keeping the jalapenos in rather. And we're going to do the same thing with the tomatoes. So I hope you enjoyed my little update of seeds that I've started for spring. We have 51 days from today. Today is February 27th before spring is here. My last frost date is supposed to be anywhere from March 11th to March 20th. So by that time, all of these seedlings that you see should be ready to go and to go outside into the garden. I hope you enjoyed a different video, a different type of video from me today. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of vegetables for myself and my family, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button, the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. You can share my content as well. Chances are, if you like my videos, your family and friends will also. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.